Accessing the quantum field, a beginner's guide, step-by-step instruction. The quantum field is a field of infinite energy and potential beyond time and space. You can access it through your consciousness, heart, and intention. To prepare, step 1, understand the basics. The quantum field is like a web of infinite energy. Your consciousness is the key that accesses it. Step 2, preparing your energy. Find a quiet, undisturbed space. Breathe deeply, 6 slow breaths. Close your eyes. Place your hands upon your heart and say, I set the intention to access the field of infinite possibilities. I ask for clarity, guidance, and connection to my higher self and the greater whole. Step 3, we enter the field. Visualize a sphere of golden light around you. Feel your awareness expand outward. Focus on your heart as a portal. Sense the web of light connecting you to all things. Step 4, tune in and receive. Ask a specific question or set your intention at this time. Listen closely for words. Feel the feelings, the sense of knowing, and the images that will show up before you. Trust what you receive. Don't overthink it. Don't second guess it. Don't try to focus on it. Allow the images to come through, and as they do, take a mental note. Step 5, anchor the energy. Journal your experience. What did you see, feel, sense, or hear? Ground your energy by visualizing roots from your feet into the earth. Put your feet flat upon the floor or the ground after this practice is over. And see that energy, that visual energy of your roots from your feet connecting with the earth. And say now, I ground all new insights into my present reality with love and gratitude. Step 6 is to practice, practice, practice. The more you tune in, the stronger your connection will become. So try this practice 3 to 4 times per week. Some optional tools or ideas to use while you practice this meditation would be binaural beats or 528 hertz music. Crystals like clear quartz or selenite are great to hold or to have around you. And of course, the journal, so that you can write your intentions before the session and you can document what you sensed during, afterwards. A final note here is to always remember your heart is the portal, and the frequency of love is the key that opens that gateway. So again, set the intention to access the field of infinite possibility and ask for your clarity, your guidance, and your connection to your higher self and your greater whole. This is a beautiful, easy way to practice accessing the quantum field so that you can move beyond that and learn to do so much more from being able to access this field. With it, you will be able to connect with the Akashic records, connect with universal love and knowledge and energy for healing yourself and others, rewriting timelines, shifting events, parting storms, calming waters, dispersing earthquakes or tsunamis. So much can be done that it truly is limitless potential. I will be sharing these courses free on my channel for the beginner's guides. And if you would like more extensive knowledge and learning, please contact me at earthsonglovecraft.com. Blessings of love and light.